Patrolling on four legs with a nose that can sniff out anything a criminal might be hiding. The Pinal County K-9 units are working to stop the flow of drugs into our state.
Only ABC 15's Kim Tobin went for a ride along, getting an inside look at how these dogs hunt down drugs on our busy highways.
Anything illegal inside the car?
Deputy Sheriff Travis Williams hits the road with his partner in crime, 4-year-old Belgian Malinois, Troy.
He is a great dog. Best partner you can ask for.
And every day they're on a mission.
We look for the drugs, money, weapons, and bad guys.
Pinal County focuses on this stretch of I-10 between Casa Grande and Picacho, a hotbed of drugs coming up from the border.
There's a lot of routes that the drug smugglers will take to get those drugs up north.
Day and night, they pull drivers over for various violations.
The reason I stopped it today is the window tint on the vehicle.
And check for drugs while they're at it.
No marijuana? Any cocaine? No fucking drugs. All right.
If enough suspicion is raised at a traffic stop like this semi-truck pullover, Troy is taken out and run around the vehicle.
Let's go find some drugs.
And these K-9 crews mean business. In 2017, the Pinal County dogs sniffed out about 550 pounds of marijuana, 7 pounds of meth, 69 pounds of heroin, and 53 pounds of cocaine.
Yes. Oh, that's a good boy.
Troy was originally trained in Holland, so he responds to Dutch commands. And it only took 3 weeks to certify him in narcotics.
You could teach a dog an odor in a day, and he will find that odor and respond to that odor.
A response that's helping get more drugs off the streets, as these dogs are always ready to get to work.
They're very smart, and if they have the right drives, they want to do this job.
Reporting in Pinal County, Kim Tobin, ABC 15, Arizona.
Another major part of Pinal County's drug interception program, its air unit. Take a look at this police pursuit. This happened last March. This crew tracked down another 375 pounds of drugs in 2017, and they arrested about 200 people.